Hello class, today I would like to teach you on lab 3. So at first you have to log in this lab learning and then click this link to download your installer, which is ltspice. So when you come into this website, this is ltspice. So you have to scroll down and install, so you can download for Windows 10 if your computer is Windows 10 or others, for example like Windows XP and etc. Okay, when you click download, so it will download and you save in any folder. Okay, I save in download file and then click download and save. Okay, after save, I wait for a while to download the file. After the file has been downloaded, you double click this item and then it will start to install. So we just wait for install. Then you click next, agree for all license agreements, and then you click next, and then you click next, then only for me, next, so next, and then install. So you just wait for a while for the all file has been installed into your laptops. After all has been installed, so it will come out the button of finish. You just click the finish button. ltspice button from your start window, and then you click the new file, new schematic, and then after you get the new schematic, you can start to plot the power supply. You click the power supply button and then you click it. So you click escape, okay, the symbol will disappear. Okay, this one is a power. So next we can click on the capacitor. So we place the capacitor. So before you place it, you can rotate it. You click Ctrl R to rotate. So it will become horizontal. Then you place it. Okay, and then you click escape. The C2 will be disappear. So you right click on it. You can rename. Okay, so you can rename it. So you click OK, and then you click the bottom below. This one is the label. So you click on the components. So you right click on the component, it will come out capacitance. So you can set the value. So for this one, the capacitor for R1, you can set the value is 2.2 microfarads. So then you click OK. Okay, so you check with your schematic, and then you follow your schematic and start the drawing. Then this one you can link up, so you click, then you click at the space that you want to be corner, and you link it up with your power supply. Okay, after that you can draw. Next one is your resistor. So you draw your resistor R1, and then you can link up for the R1 to C1, and then click, and then click again. Okay, for the R1. then you can rename the R1, and also you can click on the symbol component. You can set the value to 100 kilo ohm, so you click OK. So you check on the circuits, you draw for R2, so same, you just click the symbol and then you do the connection. And then you compare your geometry, and then you can finish up all your drawing. And then you draw for your R3, R4, and then you set the value. Okay, and then now we draw our component for the FET. So you just click on the component and then you search inside. So you can click each by each, you can find it. So now you click, this one is, you can click find one by one until you find the symbol that you want. So now we find this one is a NJF, or another one is a PNJF. So you just click it and then you rename it, and then you connect it. So you do all the connection. Okay, so this one you can set the value for your DC power supply. So now you change to AC current, so you can set your AC, so it's 5 Hertz, and then okay, so you also can, so here we cannot find the AC power supply, so we have to set at here. So we refer your lab modules and you set at your sinusoidal. Okay, and then you set the DC value, and you set your AC value for 1 Hertz and 5 milliampere. So here you can choose which one you want. Okay, then you draw your capacitor 2, capacitor 3, and resistor 3, and then you have to connect up the connection for each one, and then you have to connect to your ground. So now you find where is your ground. Also we found in the component, we can find it. So yeah, the above one, this triangle shape is the ground. So you do the connection for all. You connect up all the connections, and now you want to find the battery, so you key in battery, so you put in battery, it connect, so do the connections, so you get the battery, so done for your schematic. So after done your schematic, so you have to set all the value for your R1, R2, and also your capacitor value. Then you only can run your system. So you can click run, so it will come out. So because of your setting is not correct, so you have to play around with all the setting. So power supply 20 volt, so based on the LED module, you have to set it. So and then you have to click. Okay, you have to click play again. Okay, see what is the output, which means all the value now you key in, so you have to key in all the capacitor value. You have to check, be careful on all your drawing for keying all the value before you run. So if you do it correctly, when you run it will come out the readings. So you can try and error on your ltspice. Okay, and you can so you click the play button, you will come out the AC analysis. So all this, because I didn't set it correctly, so you must set it correctly to get all the reading, and then you can try it out for your oscilloscope, etc. So for detail, you can find most of the tutorial video about the ltspice, so you can just refer YouTube's. So that's all. Thank you. So I hope you enjoy your lab 3 and have some fun on the ltspice. Okay, bye.